grasya. Ang akong kinabuhi, nagtuyo sa Diyos sa balay o sa office. Balay, office, balay, office.
Usa ka adlaw niya sa opisina, si Gracia naglingkod sa iyang kibikulo. Nanagpili, mugotugnaw, naghinanok, o nagtiga pa din ang mata. Apan sa isalang kakalit na kuhit ikan sa iyang amo, siguro siya nakuyawan at nakurapan.
Hanap ka, hindi ba siya? Ay, boss, sorry, bila ay mabog ko o giburiin ko sa akong life. Na naman, day, namatyan kag iri, napaangkat kag iro, or natulikan kag manok, or ibuwagan ka sa imong katugong kuan ba, kubaw na ka. Katukuyan na ko, onggoy, boss. Ay, onggoy niya ito, abing lugod na akong bulit niya ito. Buwag naman niya ito, boss, wala na sa akong lughan. Pero dili mo na mga akong bilayan, boss. Saan na di ay, day? Wala lang, boss. Boring mo akong life, murag limitless. Kaya na galing walay bini kung ibaligyan sa pati. Na akong solusyon, day. Basta karong gabi, I'm sure dili siya sa kaayan o buringan. Makatulugan yun ka. Joke, dili kita brasya. Basta ma-enjoy siya ka. O daghan sa mga tunan niya makatabang kayo sa matalian lang natong kayod sa kinabuhi. Okay, boss. Pinagat ka. Libre ka ayo.
Sa pipila ka oras ang nilagay, si Gracia kuyog sa iyang boss, sa iyang mga amigas o amigos. Naabot sa taxpen. Diin ginel ang PLPD. Gisugat siya sa mga SRC members aron magparehistro sa registration book. Sa pagsulod nga ni Gracia, sabi niyo, natakil po og nahayang, pero swerte siya kay naasitasyo. Itamang kaniya, aron dili siya malamba. Sa tinutukayang duha, ang nag-eye-to-eye effect, nilapili na single bit. Slowly but surely, diagang itasyo si Gracia, pataas aron nakabalansi si Gracia. Huwag nangutana si Tasyo. Are you okay?
I'm single.
Good morning, brothers and sisters. Welcome to CLP Christian Living Program. Ay, ayun, tayo si... Sorry kayo, live man yun. Basta yung anak ko lang live. Welcome to CLP Christian Live Program, brothers and sisters. Okay, let's stand up for the opening song prayer.
kamay.
Okay, let's proceed. Our speaker for today is a true-blooded Cebuana. Cebuana ba ito siya? Nakalimut ko na. Wala na akong super kodigo. Alam ko, naabang na kay utang. Wala na ko ba yun? Patay dito sa internet. Pasensya lang ba din sa sisters? Nasa ipong ko. Pero ang atong guest speaker for today is a true-blooded Cebuana, currently working in PNB, Terminal, Malay, as a controller. Without further ado, let us all welcome Sister Mariposa! Paso! You're way to beautiful girl. That's why it will make you work. You have me suicidal. Say it's over.
Thank you, Brother Jason, and a warm welcome. Good morning, brothers and sisters. Our talk for tonight is from top 1 to top 12. 12 hours moment. This is a quick 12 seconds and to summarize all the talking, there's a saying that goes, practice makes you perfect, but nobody's perfect, then why practice? Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Mariposa, for that huge, gigantic discussion. And now let us all welcome our share for tonight, Sister Tisa.
I'm shaking. Pwede rin ako mag-microphone. Ganto man ko sa plaza, nakita ko sa akong mga anak si Christine Basilio. Nakita mo? Ikaw, nakakita ka? Christine Basilio! Christine Basilio!
Okay. Before I forget, no? We have application back at the back. Okay, let's have our last area for tonight. Kanina mo bigas sa participants. So, kinsa man to share silang champion. Kinsa man sa participants ato. Okay, Gracia! It's your floor.
Good morning, brothers and sisters. First, let me first introduce myself. I am Gracia. Before, I thought I would be happy and contented living a simple life with my work, family, and friends beside me. But as I continue my journey, I feel that the spirit within me is draining. I suddenly felt the emptiness and many times frustration. I didn't realize that I had forgotten the source of everything I have. I failed to acknowledge God in every area of my life, and I'm neglecting my relationship with Him. But then, brothers and sisters, God remains faithful and forgiving. He has His own way of leading me back to His arms, where He knows I will grow in love with Him, despite my weaknesses and shortcomings. Yes, brothers and sisters, He gives me a new family where I will grow spiritually, emotionally, and socially with the support of my newly found brothers and sisters. And to this, I am proud to be called a single for Christ. That's all. Thank you. Brothers and sisters, before we end our presentation,